Here are some of the reasons why garlic can be harmful to your health. Garlic can cause headaches and migraines. Garlic can trigger headaches and migraines in some people due to its vasodilating effects. Garlic can widen your blood vessels and increase your blood flow, which can cause pressure and pain in your head. Garlic can also stimulate your nervous system and release neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which can affect your mood and pain perception. Garlic can lower your blood sugar levels. Garlic can help regulate your blood sugar levels by increasing your insulin sensitivity and reducing your glucose production. However, this can also cause your blood sugar levels to drop too low, especially if you have diabetes or hypoglycemia. Garlic can cause digestive problems. Garlic can irritate your stomach and intestines, causing nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, gas, bloating, and heartburn. Garlic can also worsen the symptoms of some digestive disorders, such as irritable bowel syndrome, ulcerative colitis, and Crohn's disease. Garlic can interact with certain medications and supplements. Garlic can affect the way your body metabolizes some drugs, such as blood thinners, anticoagulants, and antiplatelets. Garlic can cause bad breath and body odor. As you can see, garlic is not as harmless as you may think. While it has some amazing health benefits, it can also have some serious side effects that can harm your health.